Okay, so some dude who looks like me on the internet has an article that shows you how to use a digital background or virtual background while you're working from home so that people can't see your crap behind you. Well, I want to show you exactly how to do it and get the record straight. I'm Dustin Bakkie. I don't know who that other dude is. So here I am in a Zoom meeting. You can see I'm using my webcam, got my little mic here. Get a mic. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go down here to my video area and click this little arrow that you see. I'm gonna click choose virtual background. And I have some preloaded here. I went and found some great little images. And what you wanna do is just choose one. So right now, nothing's going on. You could see behind me all my crap. And you can go find any image you want. Zoom may even have some preloaded for you. If you don't have any, just click this plus button and add an image and then find the file. But let's go ahead and go here with the shark. So I can sit here with the shark and talk to my students or your boss or your employees. You can also go a little bit underwater. Pretend I'm scuba diving, I guess. Convince my students that I actually live in Hobbiton and that's my home behind me. Nice and relaxing. You can be in space. Personal favorite of mine is this stormtrooper. And the reason it's the personal favorite of mine is because he is judging me. So I'm gonna stay on top of my content, keep my lectures short, and make sure that my students can hear me with a decent mic. Hopefully this helps you know exactly how to use a digital background and see what it looks like as you go. So once I've chosen it, you can just close out this, and now for the whole Zoom meeting, this guy's just gonna judge me. Have fun working from home, y'all.